Everyone wants to get rich, but the smartest investors don't rush it. They understand how money grows. In this first episode of Ascend, let's break down how to build real lasting wealth using the power of time, simple investing tools, and a few smart habits that anyone can start today. Our greatest financial advantage isn't your income, it's time. Compound interest means your money earns returns, and those returns earn returns again. For example, investing just $200 a month starting at age 25 could grow to over $500,000 by 65, even with average market returns. The secret isn't timing the market, it's time in the market. The earlier you start, the harder your money works for you. Before chasing stock tips, set your foundation. 401ks are employer-sponsored retirement accounts. You invest pre-tax income, and if your employer matches contributions, that's free money you should never skip. IRAs and Roth IRAs are personal retirement accounts. The main difference being traditional IRA contributions are taxed later, whereas Roth contributions are taxed now. Whichever you choose, automate it. Consistency beats perfection.
Once you've got the basics, it's time to invest. Stocks are shares of individual companies, high reward, high risk. ETFs or exchange-traded funds are baskets of stocks,
giving you instant diversification. Think of an SP 500 ETF like owning small pieces of 500 companies at once. For most beginners, ETFs make investing simple, affordable, and balanced. Great investors don't predict markets, they build systems. Diversify, automate, and invest regularly, and that's called dollar cost averaging. It smooths out the ups and downs of the market. Investing is easier than ever when you have the right tools. For beginner-friendly investing, try Robinhood, which is intuitive and great for learning by doing. For automated investing, use Acorns. It rounds up your spare change and invests it automatically. To manage your money better, also check out You Need a Budget app or use the Polynovel Ascend Budget Solutions designed to help you plan, save, and invest smarter. Staying updated doesn't mean scrolling through endless headlines. Listen to the Rundown podcast for quick daily market highlights. It is short, sharp, and easy to follow. For deeper insights on good money habits, check out the Rich Habits podcast. It's perfect for anyone building financial discipline. And if you're ready to dive deeper, 2 must-read books include The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel and Investing 101 by Michelle Kagan to understand and guide through wealth building. Just 10 minutes a day keeps you financially sharp. Getting rich isn't about luck, it's about understanding how money works and letting time do its job. Start early, stay consistent, automate everything. The market rewards patience, not perfection. This is just the beginning of your wealth journey. In the next episode of Ascend, we'll build a simple, balanced portfolio you can actually stick with. Subscribe to Polynovel and keep climbing. Your financial ascent starts now.